Welcome to Business with Louis, the show where we explore the latest concepts and strategies to help you succeed in the world of entrepreneurship. I'm your host, Louis, and today we're going to dive into the fascinating topic of customer feedback loops. In simple terms, a customer feedback loop is a process that allows businesses to collect feedback from their customers, analyze it, and use it to make improvements to their products or services. This concept is crucial in today's fast-paced business environment because it enables companies to stay ahead of the competition by delivering what their customers truly want. The origin of customer feedback loops dates back to the lean startup movement, which emphasized the importance of iterating and refining business ideas based on customer feedback. Influential thinkers like Eric Ries and Steve Blank have written extensively about the need for businesses to be agile and responsive to customer needs. So, what are the core principles that underlie customer feedback loops? At its heart, this concept is about creating a continuous cycle of learning and improvement. It involves collecting feedback from customers through various channels, such as surveys, social media, or focus groups. This feedback is then analyzed to identify patterns and trends that can inform product development or service improvement. One key model that underlies customer feedback loops is the Build, Measure, Learn loop. This framework, popularized by Eric Ries, emphasizes the need for businesses to build products or services, measure their impact, and learn from customer feedback. Another important concept is the idea of minimum viable product, which involves launching a basic version of a product or service and then iterating upon it based on customer feedback. Over time, our understanding of customer feedback loops has evolved significantly. With the advent of big data and analytics, businesses can now collect and analyze vast amounts of customer feedback quickly and efficiently. This has enabled companies to respond more rapidly to changing customer needs and preferences. Let's take a look at some real-world examples that demonstrate customer feedback loops in action. Companies like Amazon, Apple, and Google are masters at collecting customer feedback and using it to drive innovation. For instance, Amazon's product review system allows customers to provide feedback on products, which helps the company to identify areas for improvement and make data-driven decisions about new products. Another great example is the story of Dropbox, which used customer feedback to iterate upon its cloud storage service. By collecting feedback through surveys and focus groups, Dropbox was able to identify key pain points and develop solutions that met customer needs. Today, Dropbox is one of the leading cloud storage providers in the world. So how can you apply customer feedback loops in your own business or career? Here are some practical tips. First, start by collecting feedback from your customers through various channels. This could involve conducting surveys, focus groups, or simply talking to customers directly. Second, analyze that feedback to identify patterns and trends that can inform product development or service improvements. Third, act on that feedback by making changes to your business and measuring the impact of those changes. It's also important to prioritize feedback and address negative feedback promptly. By doing so, you can build trust with your customers and create a loyal customer base. Some common challenges that businesses face when implementing customer feedback loops include analyzing and prioritizing feedback, addressing negative feedback, and creating a culture that is open to continuous learning and iteration. To overcome these challenges, it's essential to have the right tools, such as customer relationship management software, data analytics platforms, and project management tools. For instance, companies like HubSpot and Salesforce offer a range of tools and resources that can help businesses collect, analyze, and act on customer feedback. Additionally, frameworks like the Net Promoter Score and the Customer Effort Score can provide valuable insights into customer satisfaction and loyalty. In conclusion, customer feedback loops are a powerful tool for driving business growth, innovation, and customer satisfaction. By understanding and applying this concept, you can create a competitive advantage, build a loyal customer base, and ultimately achieve your business goals. As my friend and fellow entrepreneur, Steve Blank, once said, the best way to get started is to quit talking and begin doing. So, take the first step today. Start collecting feedback from your customers, analyzing that feedback, and using it to inform your business decisions. Remember, every great business starts with action. Make your next move count. That's it for today's Business with Louis. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And remember, every great business starts with action. Make your next move count.